The upcoming Galaxy Watch 6 won't bring the faster wireless charging, but Watch 6 is set to be unveiled next month. Ahead of the launch, details about the Galaxy Watch 6 series are surfacing on the internet time and time again. As per the latest information, although the lineup will be a solid upgrade to the Watch 5 series, one thing that will remain the same is wireless charging speed. We recently got to know that the Watch 6 had made its way through SCC approval. This certification revealed a few of the key points, such as the model numbers for multiple variants of the watch. Notably, model numbers SMOR 930 and 40 appear to be the two sizes of the Galaxy Watch 6. On the other hand, model numbers 935 and 45 are expected to be the two different watch sizes for the Watch 6 Classic or Pro model. Furthermore, the listing reveals that its wireless charging will top out at 10 watts. Sadly, this is the same wireless charging speed as the previous year's Watch 5, so no increments here. However, comparing it with the Watch 4, which came with 5 watts wireless charging support, it is twice as fast as first-generation Wear OS smartwatches from Samsung. The upcoming wearables are rumored to be a solid upgrade from the Watch 5 series. How solid is yet to become clear. What's known so far is that the Watch 6 will have a wireless charger that tops at 10 watts. The rotating bezel, a much-missed feature, is also returning to the classic model. So far, Samsung has continuously been pushing the boundaries of innovation with its wearables. Last year's Watch 5 and 5 Pro offered consumers a handful of awesome features packed in a sleek design. With few considerable differences between the models, primarily in terms of battery life, both the Classic and Pro versions proved to be successful. Following the release of both wearables, the company scored shipment increases that might not have been as flattering as Apple's, but they're still worth mentioning. The watches will be powered by the Exynos W908 processor, with a bump in the CPU frequency, and are speculated to launch alongside the Galaxy Foldables. So what do you guys think about this 10 watts wireless charging support for the upcoming Galaxy Watch lineup? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comment section. And if you guys enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.